Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now I am going to explain here K-map. This is my another topic in digital electronics series. So here K-map is also called Karnaugh map. So K-map is used to minimize the Boolean equation. I have explained the Boolean algebra there. So this is the shortcut method we can say of Boolean expression. So it is developed by Karnaugh in 1953. So there are many types of K-map. First is this is elaborated by the variable number of variable. First is two variable K-map. Let's suppose we have two variable AB. So the total number of cell will be 2 to the power n, where n is number of variables. So total cell will be 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 2 is 4. The total cell will be 4. So there is a 4 cell. Okay. Now two variable A and B. First side A and second side is B. So A will be 0 and 1. Both conditions 0, 1, and this will be 0 and 1. B bar and B. For SOP form. If we say POS form, this will be A and this will be A bar. Now we are talking about SOP form. Sum of product form. Now 2 to the power n. So here, and one thing is also there, that K-map is depends on the gray code. Okay, K-map it depends on gray code. That means one time only one variable will be changed, like 0 0 0 1. Other will not be 1 0 because there are two variables are changed. So only one variable change. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. This is depends on gray code. That's why I will explain here. 3 variable K-map, 2 to the power 3, that is 8 cell will be there. So here one variable will be this and two variable will be here. The one variable will be only two conditions 0 and 1, and BC. Two variable will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. That's why I said that it depends on gray code. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This will be. Now if you want to know about the position, that 0 at this position 0 0, that will be 0. Now this will be 0 1 and 0 1 0. This will be 0 and 1, and this will be 1 and 1. You can check. Okay. Now 0 1 will be 1, 1 0 will be 2, and B naught will be 3. Here 0 0 0, that will be 1. 0 1 0, you can check. 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 sorry 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 sorry 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. So here 0 0 0 will be 0 1 0. Now 0 0 1 0 0 1, that is 1. 0 1 1, that is 3. 0 1 0, that is 2. Now 1 0 0, that is 4. 1 1 0 1, A is 1 0 1, that is 5. And 1 1 1 is 7, and this will be 6. The position is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now if we talk about 4 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map is 2 to the power 4, number of cell is 16. So 16 cell 1 2 3 4 4, 16 cells are there. 2 variable in left side, the vertical, and 2 variable in a horizontal. The positions are 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now the numerical decimal value will be 0 0 0 0 will be 0, 0 0 0 1 will be 1, like this. This will be 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. You can check any number. Let's suppose I will check 11. This will be 12. So 12 will be 1 1, AB 1 1, and this will be 0 0. 8 4 2 1 method you can check. That 8 1 was, that is 12. So this is 12 position. Okay, now you can check any number. Let's suppose I will check 7. So 7 will be 0, 1 and CD will be 1, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, that is 3. So 7, sorry, that is 7. So any position you can check, you will clarify how we can write it there. Now we will talk about 5 variable K-map. 5 variable K-map, it is just like 4 variable K-map. You can check, it is just like 4 variable K-map, but it has two blocks. Because it has 32 cells, 2 blocks. Each blocks has 16. Each blocks has 16 cell. 2 cell, 16 cell each block. Okay. Now in this B, C and D, E. B, C and D, E. Let's suppose we take one variable common for one block. Okay, let's suppose we take A equal to 0 for this block and A equal to 1 for this block. Okay, now we will write the position like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. 0 to 31. Total 32 blocks. So there are 32 blocks. For this block A equal to 0 and for this block A equal to 1. I will explain the working of these blocks when I will explain the grouping. Now we will talk about 6 variable K-map. 6 variable K-map is 64 cells should be there. So 64 cell cannot be made by single variable. So we take 4 16 cell K-map. Okay, like this, 4 16 cell in each, like this, 16 cell, three. Okay, now this will be, let's suppose 6 variable A, B, C, D, E, F are there. So now for each block 2 variable will be common, like this: AB equal to 0, 0 for this block, AB equal to 0, 1 for this block, AB equal to 1, 1 for this block, and AB equal to 1, 0 for this block. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. The 4 conditions are there. Now C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F and C, D, E, F are there. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3 because condition 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now the blocks will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is like just 5 variable. Now 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 0 to 63, there are total 64 variables. So this is how we can make the K-map according to our variables. Now we will talk about the grouping of Boolean algebra. I will explain how we can do the grouping of the Boolean algebra. Now there are some rules for K-map grouping, that is, all 1 should be considered, 0 cannot be considered in SOP form. Okay, when we talk about SOP form, all 1 should be considered, 0 cannot be considered. Grouping can be done by 2 to the power n cell, like 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, that is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Grouping can be done like 32, 64, like this. Grouping can be done like this. Grouping cannot be done for 3, 5, 7 and so on. So each group should be large as possible, large as possible. Okay, group can be overlapped to each other. Number of groups should be minimum. Number of groups should be minimum. Now I will tell you how when we can make the group. Let's suppose we have some values. This is only an example. Let's suppose we have some value like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have these values. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can do the grouping. First of all, we see maximum number of ones in a group. Okay, I have told you that grouping can be done by 2 to the power n. So 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. So you can check, there is a grouping of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number. We will not take 4 number. We will take 8 number first. Okay, we will give the preference of 8 number grouping. We can also make the 4 grouping, 2 grouping, but the number will be more. We can say grouping will be more. So we should reduce the number of grouping. So 8 grouping will be there, and you can check one grouping can be this 2. But you can check this K-map is a folding possibility. So if you check, this 2 can be grouped by this 2. Okay, the rules is, and another rule can also be there, group can be overlapped. So this is overlapping. Let's suppose we have this also. Okay, let's suppose we have this one also. So one group will be like this. Okay, we have 3 groups, 1, 8, 1, 4 and 1, 2. Okay, if you have, you can check, you can make group like this also, you can make like this, you can, but you cannot make the group in diagonal position. Okay, you can make the horizontal and vertical group. You cannot make the like this group. You cannot make the diagonal group. Let's suppose you have this and this. You cannot make this group. Okay, now how can we write the position? You can check here. Let's suppose we have this group. So you can check in this by first we check the vertical in this to this, 0 to 0, A will be 0, A is 0 0, AB, and AB is 0 1. So 0 to 1, B is going 0 to 1. So we can eliminate the B from this to this. Now you can check from this to this, A is eliminated, B is eliminated further and before, and now 0 to 1, A is eliminated now. So you can check from this to this, all the elements AB, only AB we are talking about because vertical position for AB. So AB is eliminated. Now we will talk about horizontal group. You can check in a horizontal group, D is eliminated because D is going 1 to 0, and C is 1 to 1. So we only have C. Okay, and position is 1, so C. Plus in a SOP form I am talking about. Okay, second group is this 4 1. In this you can check 0 to 0, 0 to 1. A is going 0 to 0 and B is going 0 to 1. So B is eliminated and we have only A bar, because this one, and it have also a horizontal position. So you can check from there. C is going from this to this. C is going 0 to 1. So C is eliminated, and D is going 0 to 0. So we have only D bar. Now plus we will talk about third position. Third group is this one. You can check there is no vertical position. You can check there is no vertical position. So we should write for A and B, because this is a condition of 1 1. So AB, and from this to this you can check C is eliminated because it is going 0 to 1 and D is 1 to 1. So AB D. This is our answer, Boolean expression. This is our answer, Boolean expression. Now you can check how can we doing the group. Now I will do some example, or one example or another example. You can check. Let's suppose we have some ones like this, like any ones we have. Okay, you have this ones. Now how can you do the grouping? You should consider 5 variable or 6 variable and 4 variable. Each K-map is overlapping to each other. You can check these two. You should consider this overlapping like this. Okay. Now you can check from this that number of grouping are, first we will talk about, number of ones are, I will write it with a different color now, so I can eliminate the different color. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, I am writing it the different color. Now you can check. First you can check maximum number of grouping. So this is 4. Okay, and this is 4. You can check this and this 4. So you can make this and this grouping. Okay, this is G1, group 1. 8 number of group, because you will consider the maximum number of numbers in a group. So you can make 8 number of grouping. Now you will take another grouping like this. You can take this, only this, because it doesn't contains ones here. If there is 1, you can make the 8 grouping also. Okay, this is the grouping 2. Now 1 1 1 1. So you can check this one will be make the group with this one. Okay, or you can also make group this and this 4. You will give the preference of 4 rather than 2. So you can make the group of ones of 4, because if you imagine that this K-map is like this, so you can make this 1 1 1 group. Now these two ones. So this will be make group like this and like this also. Okay, so you can make the group. If there is a 1 also, you can make this. Let's suppose there is 1 also. Okay, there is a 1 also, there is a 1. Now you can check that this one can make the group like this. This can make the like group this, but this can make the like group like this also. So you will give the preference of this group. This group. How? Why? Because we give the preference of maximum number. In which group maximum cells are. So this 4, this will be 2, this will be 2, so this is 4. So we give the preference of maximum number of cells. Now this one is individual. This can be make the group by this. Okay, this one is make the group by this. Now this 2 can make the group by this. You should know that in a K map each one can be grouping by some one. Okay, no single one can be remaining. Okay, now how can we make the equation by this? You can write here. You can check from this. You can check from this group 1. You can check from this to this. Okay, from this to this you can check 0 because the conditions are same. So you can check from this to this. D is going 0 to 1, E is going 1 to 1. So E is there. Only E is there. Now from vertical position you can check. B is going 0 to 1, C is only there. Now one position is also there. You should remember all students are do some mistake. So this is also a variable here, A equal to 0 and A equal to 1. But from this to this, if we grouping from this to this, the A is going 0 to 1. So this is eliminated here. Now plus we will talk about another group. Let's suppose this group. This group you can check A equal to 0. That's why A equal to A bar. Now from there to there, B is eliminated. B is there and C is eliminated. B bar. And from there to there you can check. See, D is eliminated because it is going 0 to 1 and E is there. Only E. Plus some another group is this. So from here first we will write A bar because for this block A is 0. Now from there to there, B is eliminated 0 to 1, only C is there. And from there to there, D bar is only there because E is eliminated going 0 to 1. Now I think all the group is complete. From this block, this group is there. So from this to this, A will be eliminated because we are jumping from one block to another block. So A is eliminated. Now from here to here, you can check from here to here, D is eliminated because it is going 0 to 1 and E bar is there. E bar. Now there is no vertical sign. So we will write B C bar. Plus I think all the blocks are covered. Now we will talk about here. This block is covered by this and this circle is covered by this. Now we have this block and only this block. Now we will talk about this 4 block. So then this 4 block, B and C both are eliminated because from this to this C is eliminated, from this to this B is eliminated. We have only A because for this block A equal to 1. A and D bar E. Plus from this to this, A is there because A is present in this block. Now from this to this, vertical position, B is going 0 0 to 1 0. So only C bar is there. Now from this to this, E, D and E bar. This is our answer. So it reduces our mathematical algebraic function. So this is how we can group our K-map. Now there are some points in K-map. There is implicants, prime implicants and essential prime implicants. Implicants are any group of 1 can be considered as a implicant. I will explain what is that. Now prime implicant, largest possible group is a prime implicant. Essential prime implicant, that one which cannot be combined in another group is called essential prime implicant. Now I will talk how. Let's suppose this is a 4 variable K map and we have this one position. Okay. So now you can know how we can making the group. So this is 4 variable, 4 cell, this is 2 and this is 2. So prime implicant will be group 1, 2, 3. All the groups are prime implicant because all the ones, all ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all ones are implicants. Okay. Now prime implicants are largest possible group is a prime implicant. So this is the largest possible group we can make from these ones. This is the largest possible group of we can make the, and this is. So this is prime implicant. 1, 2, 3. Group 1, group 2 and group 3. Essential prime implicant is only 1 and 3. Because these ones cannot be overlapped by another group. Okay. That one which cannot be combined in another one, because if we have this one, this cannot, this, if we have this one, we can make this group, that will not be essential prime implicant. That one which cannot be combined with another one, that is essential prime implicant. So 1 and 2, 1 and 3, these are essential prime implicant. So these are some important point about K map. I hope you know how to make K map and how we can group our K map. If you have any query regarding this K map, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day. Please take care.